Second type, to construct the quadrilateral if three sides and the two diagonals are given. When three sides of the quadrilateral and the two diagonals are given, that time how you have to construct the quadrilateral, that I will teach today. Already in the last lecture we saw that when four sides and the one of the diagonal is given, that time how you have to construct the quadrilateral. But in this type, the three sides, 1, 2, 3 sides and this diagonal and this diagonal is given, that time how you have to construct the quadrilateral, that you have to see. If you want to construct the quadrilateral, for that you have to first construct the rough diagram. In the rough diagram, you have to draw the quadrilateral and you have to draw the diagonal. You have to say that I will write this as X, Y, Z and W. You have to name this quadrilateral as X, Y, Z, W. So this side is YZ is given 4 cm, ZW is given 5 cm, XW is given 4.5 cm. This diagonal YW is given 6.5 cm and this diagonal ZX is given 6 cm. Then if you want to construct the quadrilateral, at that time this rough diagram is necessary for that. If you want to construct the quadrilateral, at that time you have to draw the base. First of all, you have to draw the base of 5 cm. So I will draw the base of 5 cm by the scale and pencil. You have to draw the base of 5 cm. This is ZW. Base is 5 cm. From Z, you have to, from this ZW, first of all you have to draw this triangle and after that you have to draw this triangle. If you want to draw this triangle YZW, at that time from Z, if you want to go to the W, at that time this ZY is 4 cm and WY is 6.5 cm. So you have to, in the compass, from the Z you have to take the distance of 4 cm and you have to make the arc, and from the W you have to take the distance of 6.5 cm and you have to make the arc, and you have to draw the point Y. So in the compass you have to take the distance of, first of all you have to take the distance of 4 cm. So you have to take the distance of 4 cm. So by scale and the compass you have to take 4 cm distance. You have to keep this pointer on Z and you have to make the arc. You have to make the arc like this. Then from W you have to take the distance of 6.5 cm and make the arc. 6.5 cm you have to make. So 6.5 cm you have to take, in the compass you have to take the 6.5 cm distance. You have to keep the pointer on W. Take the distance of 6.5 cm, you have to keep the pointer on D and you have to make the arc like this. The point of intersection of both the arcs is point Y. Once you will get the point Y, at that time you have to join this YZ and you have to join this WY. Then this Y ZY is 4 cm, this one is 4 cm and this one is 6.5 cm. From ZW you have to use the as base and you have to draw this triangle ZXW. At that time this ZX distance is 6 cm. So in the compass you have to take the 6 cm distance and you have to make the arc. You have to make the arc like this. From Z you have to draw the arc by taking this distance of 6.6 cm. You have to make the arc like this. From W, this distance is 4.5 centimeter. So you have to take the distance of 4.5 centimeter and you have to make the arc. This from the W you have to make the arc like this. This point of intersection of both the arc is point X. Then you have to draw this XZ and you have to draw this XW. You have to say that this distance is 6 centimeter and this one is 4.5 centimeter. The quadrilateral is X, Y, Z, W. So this X, Y you have to join by the scale. If you will join this X, Y by the scale, at that time we will get this quadrilateral X, Y, Z, W. In this way you have to construct the quadrilateral X, Y, Z, W. I think you understand this construction. Draw this diagram properly in the classwork notebook. Thank you.